got a video of it, just in case.
Pull it, so you can stretch it.
I'm sorry to use my horrible language, but I'm going to compliment that bird. She's a cunt.
Stretch it, now see if you can
If I push it on like that,
Ow!
Well, it's got to hurt, but it'll come off
at least it won't burn you.
That looks
well, that's going to drip on you.
Pull it.
Put up!
Stay still, don't do that.
Do not do that.
Stay still. Don't. The more you pull it, the more
Do not do it anymore. Do not do it anymore.
Don't pull.
Oh man, that's your fault.
Do not do that anymore. Do not do that anymore. Do not do that anymore. Do not do that.
Your fault.
No, I don't want that.
I know my fault.
Right, she's got it, look, she's got it.
Oh no, that's not going to work. It's too thick. Yeah, we've tried that.
Wait, stick that. Oh wait, we weren't going to use that. Put it on there.
Deep breaths. Right, deep
Who's
breaths.
got a fucking beer or something?
Pull it
A little bit.
You go to the bar.
Push it. Right, deep breaths. Just
Nah,
take
fuck
it.
that.
No, do it, Dan, man up
It's
a little
that way you
bit.
don't get it off,
Go to
mate.
the food place.
I love your
It's one way or the
I love
other.
your ethos, do it.
Yeah, oh, good thinking.
Oh look, it's your fault, now it's trying to help you.
I didn't mean to tighten it.
Nah, mate, I'm actually losing. I can't
What
feel
is
my
that?
fingers.
Right?
It won't catch light. Just... Gareth. Nice to meet you.
I'm
Go
damn
to first aid.
Nice to meet you, Dan, mate.
This is brilliant, this.
Right.
Oh, Dan, you're absolutely...
Deep breath, son.
Hold on. Another cigarette.
Another cigarette.
Don't smoke while doing it. Dan, just fucking hurry up and do it, yeah? Oh, now you fucked it, look.
That's alright, it's alright. As long as you don't drip on him, that's alright.
It's going to burn his hand.
It might burn a little bit, just take it. What do you want?
Do him.
Alright, Birrell, you psycho. The first aid tent is just over there.
Don't worry about the first aid, Ken.
Go to the first aid tent.
Coming out.
No, that's it.
Bye-bye. Woo! Ow!
Squeeze it so it goes down.
Wait, you're burning paper.
It's burning.
You're burning fucking
Start
paper.
forcing them apart with your wrists. Start forcing it apart with your wrists.
Much love. Oh, wow. Daniel!
Ow! Listen to this. Oh, mate. Look at that.